Sitting down at a desk for more than 8 hours a day can increase the risk of chronic disease. So investing in a height-adjustable desk can be a smart move if you want a working space where you can feel good about your body and work. In today's video, we are gonna showcase 5 of the best height-adjustable desks that you might wanna check out before your next purchase.
Techfluencer delivers a complete buying guide for tech enthusiasts. Here, we try our best to make you pick the best PC components, laptops, and other tech gadgets with brief technical information, pros and cons, ratings, and recommendations. Our tech expert team tests, reviews, and benchmarks thousands of products to come up with the list of the best and latest products, along with recommendations for the viewers. To know what is the best choice for you, watch the full video and check the description for the purchase links.
Starting at number 5, we have the FlexiSpot Standing Desk Converter, which can transform your traditional desk into an active sit-stand workstation without breaking the bank. Although it comes in a cheaper price tag, the build quality is rock solid. It is waterproof and can be cleaned easily. This standing desk offers a variety of sizes ranging from 27 inches to 47 inches, which can easily fit 2 monitors. And if that's not enough, there is an oversized U-shaped keyboard tray that can accommodate a 17-inch laptop. This manually standing desk converter offers height adjustment from 4.7 inches to 19.7 inches and a weight capacity of 33 pounds, so you can put lots of equipment on the desk. Overall, if you don't want to spend a lot on a height adjustable desk and want to transform your current desk with an adjustable desk converter, then the FlexiSpot Standing Desk Converter can be a good option for you. Next up at number 4, we have the Level 20 RGB Battle Station Gaming Desk from Thermaltake, which is an electric height-adjustable desk with software-controllable RGB lighting effects and a full mousepad surface. Equipped with a high-quality motor, it has a maximum load of 330 pounds and can easily adjust desk height between 27.5 to 43.3 inches smoothly, even with a heavy gaming system. It utilizes a 6-button controller for easy operations along with a digital display board, so gamers can store and conveniently switch to desired height settings with the push of a button. In addition, the desk is designed with an optimized full-cloth mousepad, and you don't have to look for an additional mousepad. It also features 8 dynamic lighting effects with 16.8 million RGB colors, which can be controlled via iTake software to match up with your current gaming rigs. If you are into RGB lighting and money is not your issue, then you can surely get this Level 20 RGB Battle Station Height Adjustable Gaming Desk from Thermaltake. At number 3, we have the Fully Jarvis Bamboo, an eco-friendly height-adjustable desk that also aesthetically looks good. This desk offers a bamboo top with beautiful colors that comes naturally from the kiln and will fit elegantly with your work or home decor. With height adjustability from 23.5 to 49.25 inches, its frame is reliable and strong, for which it can lift an immense 350 pounds of weight with relatively no desk wobble, making it perfect for your multi-monitor setup. Besides, at the front, you will find a control panel that has 4 presets to swiftly change between the height and positions to stretch your limbs. It also has a rubber grommet on the back corners of the desk to keep your desk neat and cables organized. In conclusion, the Fully Jarvis Bamboo can be a perfect height adjustable desk for both environmentally and aesthetically conscious users. Coming at number 2, we have the Apex Desk Elite, which is an impressive motorized height adjustable desk with a combination of large width and sturdy construction. This desk is available in 2 top sizes and 6 wood color options, which will surely match most home or office decor and can accommodate your ideal workspace. Its strong and durable 1-inch thick ergo-shaped MDF wood has a scratch-resistant laminated top and a smooth matte finish, which makes it easy to maintain and would last for years to come. Moreover, the industrial-grade steel frame enables the desk to support up to 225 pounds without breaking a sweat. Don't forget to stretch your legs, as it has a quick and quiet dual motor that allows the desk to go up or down between 29 to 48 inches smoothly. All in all, if you want a large and solid height adjustable desk for your home or office decor, this Apex Desk Elite will not disappoint you. Finally, at number 1, we have the Uplift V2, which is overall the best height adjustable desk in this listing, as it offers plenty of customization and can accommodate a wide range of heights. With multiple color options, it features a 1-inch thick Moso bamboo that is 40% harder than oak for creating your perfect desk. That being said, this height adjustable desk is one of the best contenders in the market, as it can give you a personalized option for the size, desktop material, accessories, and much more. Offering a sturdy frame with dual motor system, you can adjust its height between 25.3 to 50.9 inches to accommodate your personal needs. On top of that, it is capable of lifting up to 355 pounds of weight, so you can put up multiple monitor setup or hardware with ease. To sum things up, if you prioritize customization in your height adjustable desk, give this Uplift V2 a shot, which has made the top of our list today. So that was all about the top 5 best height adjustable desks. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Share it with your friends and comment below to let us know your thoughts. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon if you want to see more videos like this on your feed.